How to use stiffeners in PractiCAD. Placing stiffeners in PractiCAD is almost identical to placing tie rods. Generally, it is recommended to utilize your specifications to govern what stiffeners you should use and when, but we do allow you the ability to add stiffeners to any fitting virtually at any time. What we're going to do is go into the fitting bin and choose a piece of rectangular duct. Then we're going to come over to the left and we're going to go into the item box and we're going to scroll down to the stiffener section. You'll notice we have two parameters, stiffener width, which we're going to click next to, and stiffener depth. When you click next to the parameters, PractiCAD is going to open up a drop-down box. Here we can select from our available stiffener types. There are separate tutorials on how to build stiffener types and how to control the parameters. Here we're just going to show you how to place them and add them to your duct. We're going to select a specific angle iron type for stiffener width, and then we're going to do the same thing for stiffener depth. Once we've chosen the proper stiffeners, we can now place our fitting on the drawing. If we would like to modify the stiffeners identical to tie rods, there are only two ways of doing it. We would have to double click on the fitting and do it from the AutoCAD property box, which means we'd go to the technology parameters to stiffener width and stiffener depth, and here we could either change the stiffener type as we just done, or of course we could remove one by scrolling to the top of the list and choosing the blank space. The other way to edit it would be to go into your edit fitting window. If you left click on the fitting and then right click and go to where it says edit fitting, here we'd be able to see all the different stiffeners we've added, plus all the remaining properties, and of course if we'd like, we could click on the stiffener width and make the adjustment here. That'll conclude the tutorial on how to add stiffeners to PractiCAD fittings.